We will replace him very well. By then we miss him at 30 year. But we have a replacement here. Your father is the father of Ndigo. Do you understand? So look at it. He died at a time he was the #1 person in Igbo land. I mean, what's better than that? I mean, it's an honorable day. Do you understand? So we miss him a lot. His death was just like that of Ojukwu to me. There are two prominent Igbos I won't forget. So that's why I'm here early enough. He had done a lot of them for me personally. He knows, just like a father told me. I won't tell you. He had done a whole lot for me personally. You know, if those who don't know him one-on-one, to say anything because they don't know him. If you come closer to Iwuanyanwu, I mean, you know that he's one of the best persons you can meet in the whole world. Sure. I'm saying it because I interacted one-on-one with him. If you come closer to Aheja Kamba, you will notice that he's one of the best persons you can meet in this world. I don't want to talk too much. Please, I will participate in any way I'm asked to do, okay? The death is for all Igbo, and he died as #1 Igbo man, so it's for everybody. So the entire Igbo land is living with you. The entire Igbo land is in sober reflection. However, we celebrate the fact that he was a great son and a great leader. Do you understand? We are proud of him any day. If we are not proud of him, I will not be here. Do you understand it? Because I'm the jail in the yes, I don't go all the places. Wherever I go has a meaning. Sorry, we sympathize with you. The entire Igbo land sympathizes with you. Say well. Say well, madam. Eh? Yes. This weekend, I should leave now. Thank you.
Here we are now with Barrister Uwazuruike. Barrister Uwazuruike, good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon.
May we ask you why you are here today at the residence of...
Well, I'm here to sympathize with the family of Iwuanyanwu. The death is for Ndigo in general, but we have to also come to show our sympathy with the family. Iwuanyanwu died as the President General of Ndigo, which is very paramount, as the #1 citizen of Igbo land. Is very paramount. His death was noble. That's the highest one could want to achieve. You know, for oneself to die at the pinnacle of position in Igbo land. Do you understand it? Nobody. I mean, it's epitomic. It's sensational. It's something that everybody prays for. To die at such level as the President General of #1 person in Igbo land. Who else could have? So, though he had departed, we miss him a lot, but we have the solace that a great hero has gone, and we are proud of him. Like I said in the parlor, if we are not proud of him in Igbo land, I wouldn't be here, because as a general in Igbo, I wouldn't associate with things that are not noble. So,
sorry, that's very interesting. What is the meaning of Ijele in Igbo?
Well, you got to find out that
from the horse's mouth. From the horse's mouth. It's better from the horse's mouth. Please explain to people who don't know.
Ijele in Igbo
yes.
was crowned on me immediately after the demise of Ojukwu. Even before he was buried, the Ezenwe said, I must be crowned Igelendibo before Ojukwu be buried. Ojukwu was crowned in time by the Tabansi Udene. Do you understand it? So,
at a function where the Ofondibo was formerly.
yes, giving I hold of Fondibo. You understand? That's what I mean. Without here being holy and sacrosanct, I wouldn't be here. If Iwuanyanwu was a questionable character, I wouldn't be here. I don't see me anyhow in places. If I go to a place, that place has to be certified. So Iwuanyanwu is a prominent Igbo man. Man of being prominent is one of the Igbo men all Igbos are proud of. And like I said in his parlor, people can talk anything about the person, but when you get closer to that person, you know who he is. Chief Iwuanyanwu influenced me a great deal. I know him very well. Like I know Ojukwu. So I associated with him. If you associated with Iwuanyanwu, you will know that he was one of the best people you can meet in this world. It's very nice, very, very nice. Nice to a fault. So for people who don't know him, they can always say anything. But for those who know him and have associated with him, you have no other thing to say about him than that he is a very nice man. That's what I can say for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your response, sir.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.